To register at Nightrush Online Casino, you should select Create Account button at the upper right-hand corner to open the registration form. Type in your address, phone number, a password and username into adequate fields. After the next page appears, you'll need to provide the casino with full name and date of birth. As you proceed to the last page, you're supposed to enter your residence country, city, address, zip code, and choose one of the currencies offers. Finally, press Submit and wait for the email with verification link to arrive. Once you click on verification link, you'll be ready to start, but after visiting Nightrush promotional page, we found little of interest there. Namely, the casino doesn't have a welcome offer or any other type of bonus. The only thing that grabbed our attention there is daily drops and wins. It consists of 32 tournaments and 224 daily prize drops that last until the 10th of February. And if you want to participate, you may win some of the fantastic rewards. Nightrush offers 350 and 80 cash prizes for the lucky participants. Namely, the total prize pool in question is 2 million euros. The player who wins the tournament receives even 5,000 euros. Furthermore, the most significant daily prize is 1,000 euros. However, the minimum bet size is 50 cents, and the rewards are subject to a 10 times wagering requirement. Before claiming the bonus, always check casino's terms and conditions. The minimum deposit required in Nightrush Casino is $20 or equal in other currencies, and the payment methods you can use to make one are Master and Visa cards, Trustly, PaySafe card, Zimpler, Neteller, Instadebit, iDebit EcoPays, Skrill, Interac. When it comes to withdrawals, you'll have one more method to use, Sofort banking. Furthermore, before you withdraw your winnings, you should roll over the amount of deposit at least once. As for the minimum withdrawal, it depends solemnly on the banking options. For instance, if you use Skrill, you can withdraw not less than $20. Lastly, Nightrush Casino may ask you to provide some personal documents when starting the withdrawal process. And if you use cards, it may take up to 5 days for you to receive your winnings. Moreover, in the case of bank transfer, you may wait for up to 7 days. But if you go with other, alternative methods, the process will be over within 24 hours. As for Nightrush games, you can count on a great variety, number, and quality. Namely, the casino holds many game genres, including slots, table games, and live dealer games. And some of the well-known titles you can check out at Nightrush are Starburst, Danger Zone, and Aztec Palace. On top of that, Nightrush also has a sportsbook section where you can bet on numerous games and events. Simultaneously, thanks to providers such as NetEnt, Evolution, and Microgaming, you can enjoy many top-of-the-line games here. Moreover, the game library has several search filters so that you can browse through it with ease. And given that the casino features more than 700 games, you'll find them very useful. Play responsibly.